These miniature fruit videos are absolutely blowing up on Instagram and TikTok right now. And the craziest part, you don't need an expensive setup, editing team, or even a single dollar to make them. Yep, your wallet can finally relax for once. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these insanely satisfying miniature fruit videos using AI. And honestly, some of these clips look so good, people will think you spent hours making them, when in reality, you were probably eating chips while AI did most of the work. All right, first, I designed a master prompt for you. And trust me, this thing is ridiculously powerful. It's super detailed and specifically designed to help us create viral-style videos that actually look professional instead of those weird AI videos that look like they were generated inside a microwave. You'll find the prompt down in the description. Copy the entire thing. And I mean all of it. Don't skip parts thinking, this looks unnecessary. That's exactly how people end up with cursed AI images. Now head over to ChatGPT and paste a prompt into the prompt box. Once you hit send, ChatGPT will generate 10 different miniature fruit video ideas for you. For example, watermelon, orange, strawberry, and a bunch of other satisfying concepts. For now, I'm going with the 8th one, mango juice. Then hit send. After that, ChatGPT will provide 4 scene image prompts along with matching video prompts for every scene. Copy the first scene image prompt. Now, open Google Flow. Choose Create Image, select your aspect ratio, paste a prompt, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds, and look at that. This came out insanely good. Pick whichever image you like the most. Now, head back to ChatGPT. Copy the second scene image prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit Generate again. Boom. Our second image is done too. Now just repeat the exact same process for all the remaining images until every scene is generated. Once all your images are ready, switch to video generation mode. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit Generate. Wait a little bit, and as you can see, the video looks absolutely amazing. But, quick side note, instead of generating videos inside Google Flow AI, I actually found something even better. Gemini. With Gemini, you can generate up to 3 videos per day for free, which is honestly pretty good because it helps save your flow credits. So once you open Gemini and see this interface, upload your second image, make sure you downloaded all your generated images first, then select Create Video. Now head back to ChatGPT again, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Gemini, and hit send. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. And as you can see, the result looks clean, cinematic, and super satisfying. Now, repeat the exact same process for all your remaining images and convert them into videos. After generating all the clips, place them in order inside your editor, and that's it. Your viral miniature fruit video is ready. Seriously, that easy. AI in 2026 is basically like having a full production team. Except nobody argues with you and nobody asks for coffee breaks. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Subscribe to my channel AI Etc so you don't miss the next viral AI niche before everyone else starts copying it 2 weeks later. And I'll see you in the next video.